Okay, back at the field this afternoon to Maiden, this F-16. Let's see, just to go over this setup for this model. It's running on the SMC 4400, just a regular LiPos, not the high voltage ones. And the only modification has been to the stabilizer servo for the elevator. It's been changed out to the Hitec 5065 servos, and the nose gear. The nose gear spring has been replaced with fuel tubing. I think that's the only. I think I've covered everything that's been modified. Basically the elevator servo. Let's see how it does on the Maiden. There it goes. Let's bring the gear up. The CG feels right. It's right at stock. It's right behind the plastic tabs. I don't think I need any trim. And it definitely handled taking off on this grass field, no problem. This is very stable. Wow, this is a fun flyer. Thank you. Handle is being inverted very well.
12 seconds.
Oh.
2.4 volts.
I still have more time than this.
Timer 1 up.
Whoa. Okay, let's get ready to land. Oh, I'm starting to get my low battery alerts.
Gear down.
It's looking like I can easily get 5 minutes out of this. The 4400 packs.
Low battery.
Very nice. Successful Maiden. No trim needed. Everything's centered. The CG is right where the book is.